The vaquita, also known as Vaquita sinus, is currently listed as a critically endangered mammal. The water temperature is from 14 degrees Celsius in January to 36 degrees Celsius in August. Some abiotic factors are high turbidity through rich nutrition, and some biotic factors are the diversity in the habitat. It gives the food they need, which are shrimps.
The vaquita's three closest relatives are the Burmeister's porpoise, the spectacled porpoise, and the harbor porpoise. Burmeister's porpoise and vaquitas are genetically each other's closest relatives. They live along the coast of South America and are more adaptable, which has helped them survive in changing environments. The spectacled porpoise lives in extremely cold waters near Antarctica. It is rarely seen and thrives in freezing temperatures, which is very different from the vaquita. Harbor porpoises are much more stable as a species and are commonly seen in cold coastal areas, unlike vaquitas, which are critically endangered and only found in one small region of the world.
The vaquitas are found in the northern Gulf of California, swimming in shallow waters within a very desert climate. They prefer these calm, shallow waters because they provide the food and the environment they need to survive in. The vaquita has structural adaptations such as a small body and a large fin, which helps it swim in shallow water. It also has a gray and white coloration that helps it camouflage from the predators in the ocean. The black ring around their eyes protect them from the sun glare because the water they live in is very reflective.
The behavioral adaptation of the vaquita is that it avoids humans to stay safe. They slow down their breathing and use a forward rolling movement, making it hard for predators to spot them. They sleep with only half of their brain shut off. This makes them alert for predators even when they are asleep.
Physiological adaptation of the vaquita consists of a circulatory system where the blood does not go to the non-essential organs. This helps save the oxygen so they do not have to come up that often. Their kidneys are specialized to filter out the toxic concentration of salt, allowing them to drink the salt water.
Their trophic level is seen as a secondary or tertiary consumer. They are carnivores and they primarily eat small demersal fish, squid, and crustaceans. The vaquita uses endothermic thermoregulation, meaning it generates its own body heat through internal metabolism to maintain a constant high body temperature. This allows the vaquita to stay active and survive in changing ocean conditions.
The vaquitas get their food by using high-frequency echolocation clicks to navigate and locate prey in the shallow waters. It precisely locates the prey through turbid and muddy waters. Here we see the video of a porpoise's clicks.
This is an example of how gillnet fishing can look like.
Natural selection is not driving any adaptive evolution in the vaquita. The vaquitas are endangered because of a bycatch due to illegal gill nets set for totoaba. The nets to catch totoaba fish are big enough to catch a vaquita, so it traps the vaquita when they catch the totoaba fish. Illegal fishing happens near where vaquitas usually are, ruining their ecosystem. Humans have been taking specific actions like banning gillnet fishing in the habitat of the vaquita. The only threat to them is gillnets, so the Mexican government is trying to use new fishing methods. They are trying to save vaquitas in their natural ecosystem. Previous attempts on saving them were unsuccessful because vaquitas are highly sensitive to stress.
Vaquitas are in a specific marine food web. The extinction of them might disrupt the predator-prey relationship for the sharks. The loss of vaquitas will cause an imbalance in the environment as it provides population control of prey species and maintains the ecosystem structure and energy flow. To understand why the vaquita population is decreasing so quickly, it's important to understand how they reproduce. Vaquitas reproduce very slowly compared to many other animals. A female vaquita usually gives birth to only one baby at a time, called a calf. Pregnancy lasts for about 10 to 11 months, which means the mother carries the baby for almost a full year. After the calf is born, it stays very close to its mother for protection and to learn how to survive in the ocean. The mother spends a lot of time caring for her baby, feeding it milk, and helping it grow strong. Because of this, vaquitas usually only have one calf every 1 to 2 years. This slow reproduction rate makes it very difficult for their population to grow. Even if conditions are good, the number of vaquitas can only increase very slowly. This is a video on how vaquitas reproduce.
Gill nets are large fishing nets that hang in the water like invisible walls. Fishermen use them to catch fish, especially a species called the totoaba. The totoaba is highly valuable because its swim bladder is sold illegally on the black market for a lot of money. Even though vaquitas are not the target, they often swim into these nets by accident because the nets are so hard to see underwater. The vaquitas don't realize the danger until it's too late. Once they're caught, they become trapped and cannot see. Vaquitas are mammals, which means they need to come up to the surface to breathe air. When they are stuck in these nets, they cannot swim up and they eventually drown. This is known as the bycatch, where animals are accidentally caught in fishing gear meant for other species. This problem is especially serious because even losing a few vaquitas each year has a huge impact. There are so few left that every single life matters. If illegal gillnet fishing continues, the vaquitas could become extinct in the very near future.
This is a stop motion on how vaquita's population decreases over time.